Okay, from Smolik Performance. Oh, don't do that. No, 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 no. I'm gonna roll with the BTG, and inside this package here, we've got a little bit of an upgrade. And what I wanted to do was improve the cooling and efficiency of the Avenger. So I decided to replace the Olean head with what we have inside here, guys. Okay. Testing, 1, 2. That is definitely a terrible idea. Again, I would not do that. Let's get back to unboxing over here. So let's go ahead and pick one of the blades we're going to use. The Smolik Performance. You know, it's always come beautifully packaged, and it's, you know, wrapped so well with genuine care. Shipping is really, really fast, guys. When you order from them, they don't hesitate. They will contact you if they have any questions. You know, these guys are always on the ball with their customer service. And they do pride themselves on that, guys. I will say that. So let me put him over here, then he'll be out of the way completely. You can sit here next to your duck. Anybody and everybody who's used one of these knows exactly what I'm talking about, guys. These are absolutely beautifully machined. Fantastic. These are the O-rings, guys. This is what you slot into the gaps over here. I know if you take a close look, you can see over here that there are little indents over here in the circular structure where you place this rubber gasket. It is not an issue at all. Sorry, not gasket. It's an O-ring, actually. And what you do when you're putting it in, guys, if you ever get one of these heads, is you just have to manipulate it into the grooves and it will stay. It shouldn't be a problem at all. And look at that, guys. Smolik Performance. This is going to be absolutely fantastic on this over here. So, and just pull this Olean head off. And as you can see the difference here, guys, there is no comparison in quality. There is a significant difference in weight, absolutely. You can see very clearly that Smolik Performance is a cut above. Particularly the way it funnels the wind flow, the airflow. If you look at the way the fins are placed, it actually funnels the air, you know, through and in an inward fashion, which ultimately would create some sort of velocity. Which is really, really cool design. Again, I just can't stop admiring these things. Every time I look at one of these beautiful heads, I'm always quite taken back at its craftsmanship, excuse me. Anyway, let's go ahead and place this on here. So do a quick fit check here for the Avenger. And as you can see, guys, much better. Much, much better. That looks fantastic. It just gives the motor an all-around beautiful look. Anyway, let's move on to this. So now that we put this aside, let's go right ahead and... So, yeah. You know, because I know motorized bicycles is not exactly this massive booming industry, you know, guys. So what Smolik Performance is creating and what they're making is, you know, quite unique and quite rare. You know, which is a lot of the reason, and you know, and understandably why there is a bit of a price tag on some of their products. It's not a booming industry, you know, so somehow, you know, Smolik needs to, you know, have a decent source of revenue in order to keep guys like us, you know, giving us the opportunity to enjoy parts like this. So yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, that's going to look really, really good. And again, guys, like I said, don't do this. This is a terrible idea. But yep, that should encompass the BTG and do exactly what I needed to do. Right, that's enough of that. I've doted on that one enough. Thank you, guys. That one's really cool. Love that. Let's go ahead and open this next one. Now, this one, guys, is something I've just been wanting to try. And I ordered it because I do actually need a place to mount the CDI. My race bike is going to be very, very different. It's going to be a different sort of setup. It's not going to be the same as any of my other bikes at all. And the race bike, guys, is this bike over here. You can see the wheel set here on the desk in the camera. That's the bike that I'm building right now. Okay, guys, and of course, here it is. The infamous Smolik Performance accessory mount. I did it. Pulled the trigger, guys. I couldn't help myself because they just look so sweet. Not where you think it is. Well, the CDI is going to be located somewhere awesome. So there you go, have it guys. Unboxing Smolik Performance package arrived in the mail today. Thank you very much once again for tuning in. I hope you all guys had a wonderful time. Yeah, hope you have a wonderful evening wherever you're at. Take it easy.